All right, tomorrow's projected starter, Matt Warrington from Wilmington, 38 innings pitched, 30 hits, only 11 walks, 48 punchies. Guy is around the zone. Going to attack righties, he's going to kind of be all over. He will come in a little bit more than what we've seen. Lefties, he's going to want to live away, away, away. Really likes everything arm side. Fastball, upper 80s, low 90s. It's going to get on you. He's also their shortstop, so he's got short arm action. We look at the tendencies here and the splits. 68% strikes with his fastball to righties, 51 to lefties. I do think that's because he loses things arm side a little bit. We dive a little bit deeper. 0-0, gonna want to attack with that fastball. Behind in the count, going to attack with the fastball to get himself back in. Fastball is good, has a good amount of life. Let's look at some video here on Matt Warrington. Not too much on video updated from this year, but this is from the conference championship last year. As you can see, he's got that quick, shorter arm action, middle infielder, kind of stabs down behind, hides the ball really well. Short, compact delivery, super athletic kid. Good depth to the breaking ball. Fastball, spin, changeup combo out of Matt. Again, he's not going to want to let you breathe. A good guy that we can attack early in the zone, I feel like. Spin is sharp and has depth. It looks like it's going to pop up out of the hand a little bit. Might be able to recognize it. I think our goal needs to be to stay on the fastball as we saw with those splits. Really got to stay on the fastball, hunt middle away, and be all over the barrel on them. They're a quality team, but they will kick the ball on the infield. They're very prone to make errors defensively. I would say their strength this year has been on the mound. They are swinging it well of late. But this is, the guys leading the conference in ERA, so this is going to be a good test right out of the chute. Our goal offensively just needs to be on the attack, hunt out over the plate, grind out at bats, and get to their bullpen. Let's be ready to get on the attack right from the jump. Go right at this guy. Again, stick to our approach. Go have fun banging some baseballs around with the boys. Go Bolts.